Hello everyone. Good morning. I think it's 6:30 in the morning. Uh, Today is Thursday, 23rd December, and I think second nearest expiry of the year. So this last two expiry is gonna be interesting. So interesting since there will be a lot of excitement into the crowd of all the traders. Like there will be 100 points, 200 points, 400 points rally, name Nifty, then upside or downside. But expect, excitement kills in the market. So I think these two uh, weeks will be something different than all the traders are thinking of. But let's go to the quickly on chart. I have something to share with you that I have analyzed something. That I can share. Let's go to screen start instead of wasting time, much more time. Okay, as a practice, so I think I'll close this one. Okay, okay, so these are the things 17,000 loss, but it's not actually loss because I'll tell you what. So, yes, definitely this position is in loss, which is March 17,000 P. I bought at 650 and it's been 5,000, but I have time of 3 months now. It's around 3.5 months with me, so not an issue. I can shift, roll over, and all this part. Yesterday, as per the plan, what I planned, so there will be no trades, but I will be looking for profit booking. If you look at my analysis, so that was the plan. There was no new trades yesterday, and that was a very right decision. But definitely, I booked profit in this one 1665. It was just one lot, and around this one, it was showing 2000 profit, but somehow after while booking, it ended into this around 1700. But that's fine, and I think that was absolutely great decision. But intentionally, I put this hedge leg as open. It was around 3 that time. Now it's at 8 because looking at the price action, it was slightly giving hint that okay, today I will not fall, and even US markets were not falling. So that was a decision, and I think it became uh, wise that I took that decision. So now even if we open gap up to 200 points, 250 points, this is gonna save me some loss because otherwise, if we open slightly gap down or uh, flat, uh, these trades may come in a profit. I'm saying may. No one knows, nobody knows what gonna be in the end, but yes, that's the plan. And even this one, it's giving this loss. It's I already booked the sell leg of it, so that's the reason it's giving this loss. So around 3,000, I think I already booked, so it's giving some 600 rupees of loss, but that's fine. Worth taking it, and no one knows if it gap down for 200, 300 points. That's what market is doing some nowadays. That's the reason. Otherwise, if you look at the free trade that I have taken, intention was to have some free trades of put, which I can carry forward for a week. That's fine. I'm ready to take this loss. So okay, that's it. So I think that's what is with this. So this is extra loss that I have. Even this leg was the same. Like I booked profit in 17,000 call writing on 7,000 I booked. So out of this 3,000 is loss around 5,000 profit. So that's the journey. Not to waste much time on here, but let's go to quickly on what's happening on worldwide. Ah, okay. Right, and saying something. Okay, let's start with quickly on downside as US market closed and clear picture. So everything is great. So market looks to be jumping like a kangaroo and it's gonna fall down. And this is my prediction. It's my view. No Ballam knows what's gonna happen. But definitely, even if you look at here, uh, there is 200 points rally, 1%, 1%, but transportation index, there is no much movement in this transportation. So even the market is bouncing, the transportation sector is not expecting any bounces or something. Or it's there's nothing new for them. That's the reasons what are the bounces we are getting. It's gonna take time to say that it's a bullish market. Otherwise, it's gonna be like this only because transportation is not saying. Otherwise, SIP 500 not be bounced for 1%, and when the fear index is down, that's pretty fine. But Mota it's green. I think UK market is also green. Wow. Uh, yeah, Thailand green. Uh, Taiwan was also green, but we can look at the Taiwan at the market opening. Even SGX and Taiwan, we should check during the market is looking because this is yesterday's results before closing India market. But yes, this is a level of leading indicator. Mhm. I think Mota everything's green, slightly green. Saudi Arabia, something happened over here. Slightly, uh, it's not slightly actually. I don't know about this one, but it's down by 3%. Wow. Even Russian, Qatar, Poland. I think there's nothing much. Pakistan is green. Uh, okay, New Zealand is green. Netherlands, or uh, 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 that's fine actually. Malaysia is it's green. Kenya is Japan. Look at this. So Nikki, it's giving some strength actually. So most of the Asian markets follow this Japan market. So this is my this is what I understood. I'm not Ballam of this one, but yes, this is my experience. Indonesia is down. Might be some news flowing in Indonesia because of some uh, floods, or this might be that is impacting over there. Wow, this is India market. Everything is bullish. That's perfect. So looking at this, one can buy hundreds of food, but no, wait guys, I think we are at very crucial stage where all the money from retail traders will be transferred to big investors, uh, big players. Germany, France. I think European market is also green. There is nothing much. Wow. Brazil, Brazil is down, but not at that extent. It's just at some points, 0.24. So it's like a flat. Here is a flat downtrend. The rest is flat to uptrend. Yeah, but there is not much actions to. Australia is a flat actually. Don't see any much improvements. So this is what I was saying. So everyone was in excitement of New Year and Christmas and everything, but market gonna surprise everyone. What I think, well, let's go to the futures. I think, yeah, everything is flattish to green, but nothing much happening over here. Yeah, DAX. Okay. Uh, okay. So I have analyzed something for part of uh, one of the homework I found on channel, and the homework was what is the expected behavior when market comes down from its 100 EMA, and what happens in next few days and when it touches the 200 DMA. DMA is daily moving average. So I have analyzed this part. So I think I'm very thankful that guys who gave that homework. But I think this is quite interesting that I found. So what happens here? So we are at similar case where we broke down from the 100 EMA. Blue lines 100 EMA. So one is 50. This reddish one is 200, and this is no, it's 20, and this is red one is dark red one is 200. So we are here, and we broke down, we bounced back, then down, bounced back. So we took some time, we spent some time on 100 DMA, and then we came down. Now we are expecting what happens. So let's go to the history. So if you look at this point 15, so we broke down slightly, but we took support and we started the journey. Okay, that's one case where so we can consider that okay, now it broke down. It have not reached to 200, but broke down. So here the case like we broke down, but we don't know what is gonna happen. So here it's saying that okay, I, I go up. That's fine. Then this is the case actually. Point 14. So here we broke down, then we bounced back, and what happened next? I think till this time the market was normal, and then we broke down the COVID news. But I think this was news where everyone was thinking, but no one was sure. So this is what happens. So even if you consider this one, so it went down more than expected. That's fine if you consider this as a COVID case. Let's go to the next one. So look at here. We came down, we broke down, then we took some support, then we again came down, and then we started coming down below 200 TM, and then we spent some time bounce back. So it's around 2019, started in 2000, started in July and ended in September. July, August, September. 3 months it was doing the same. So uh, uh, this duration is very critical actually. 2019. Let's go to point 12. Same happened. It was blow off scenario 18, came down on the 100 EMA. Then suddenly next 2 days we went down to 200 EMA. Then again we bounces, we again came down. So that's the case. So within a week we broke down below the 200 EMA. So next case 11, we broke down, then we bounced like this. This is 2018. Again we broke down, again we bounced, again 200 EMA. So this is what happens. So every rise, market will fall. So it has to spend some time at 200 DM and then it will go up. This is what I observed now. Here, I think 10, we broke down, but gradually we increased, and uh, there was no 200 DM. Here also, point number 9, broke down up, then oh wow, this was strategic. So we around 10, I don't know what is percentage, but broke down and then again spend a lot of time in a bear market actually. Here we broke down. I think this is a case where we broke down it. Then look at this one. Several jumps. Here also we broke down, then sudden uh, upside, and look at this. So it will be very good if market gives another 300 400 points rally. It will be more confirmation that we'll get this type of steep breakdown and can earn much. So breaking down here slightly will not reward much, but if use something like this, then this is gonna be very interesting. So even if I trapped in any call writing this 2 weeks and it gives such stuff rally, so next step will be very nice. Definitely gonna be very nice. So here also we broke down, but significantly we started uh, pulling down the market, but it's not at that extent. I think this is what this is fifth one. Same happen over there. So what it tells us, whenever market touches 100 EMA, there are high probability that we're gonna test 200 EMA with such steep downside, even below 200 EMA. So if what is 200 below 200 is 14,000 levels, 15,000 levels can be possible. No one can think of it, but this happens in within 2-3 days or within 2 weeks. So let's prepare for it. So whenever we are taking trades, the time we should have time to uh, let market perform as per the what view that we have. Okay, that's fine. This is what I explain. I think thanks to that voice will explain to this more. Unless I take efforts, nothing can can achieve. Okay, let's go to regular Nifty analysis now. This is trading view terminal and RSI is 42, and around when RSI will come around 50, there will be shorting opportunity, because if you look at the history also, when it bounces, this resistance point on RSI also takes place by vital role. So what I'm thinking, comes around 17,100, 1700, 200, it's gonna be nice opportunity to short. Mm. I don't know what happens with this terminal trading view, but it's very sensitive terminal during the uh, live market. So if you look at this here, I think this is a very interesting thing that we have. Came down, 1, 2, and then we go down. This is something we have. I think here also we came down, 1, 2, 3, and go down, something like this. So this is visual patterns that is most of the time about, even here also 1, 2, 3, and so down. This is what most of the time we observed in the bear market. If you can observe this in 1 minute chart, also 50-minute chart. So this is what happens when it comes to such trade lines. So it's not that it will go upside. Most of the time, it will go around this trend line that we have, around 17,100, and then it will start next journey downside. This is what, so even if you look out here, it broke down, then we went up, then we came down. So I think this is what we're gonna expect it be here, and then the next target will be around 16,200. There is no chance market will flow like from here and directly it will go to 80,000. It will spend some time here, then it will break down either here or on upper side of above 17,000. Then we can think of it will go down. Till the time we can call writing with H and let market prove us that you are wrong and we are ready to pay the fees. That's learning. Pretty simple. I think we don't have to make it complex. Wow. Let's go to Bank Nifty also. I'm not trading Bank Nifty unless I'm sure, because it's very risky and I think I'm not that expert to. But it's very clear. We have something like this. This is regular pattern. 1, 2, then break down. So what is expected? It should bounce and then it will retest or something like this. Somewhere might be something like this. I don't know. But this is what trend follows. Or it may jump something like then come down. So this come down is confirmed, but when we don't know. We'll have to do the call rating, buying some time, and let market perform. This is what I'm saying. So you can go for monthly call rating also when you get there, and buy time might be take a month to do this. So time has value. So if you have time, I think the market rewards you. Uh, Nifty IT that we need to track. Again, a trend line here. Something here is trend line, and we are almost there, but I think it should go wait till this 100 EMA to touch, and then it should do some breakout or spend some time here and then breakout. It's not that easy to break out like this because uh, I don't see any potential. So if you look at here, it came here, then it spent some time and then broke out. And this is what it does actually. Breaking out is not that easy. Here also, it spent some time, probably good time, and then it went up. Even it spent some time here also. It's not that it should go there and do the breakout directly. It should spend some time, should create some negative candles, and then it give the breakout. It looks like market in lot of hurry, and that's the reason it may fall. Not to ball the market, but yes, technology. So we don't know. Let's quickly would give you Tata Power. These are the stocks that I have looked at. I'm not looking for all stocks. I'm not that experienced that I can go there. But yes, this looking very good. My buy price is around $204 where I added. What we can do, we can add some stocks into our portfolio to go long, and when market bounces, we can go for an option selling. Both side hedging will be there. Even option selling is wrong. We will have the right entry in stocks. But few quantity definitely we can add at this point. But this should be long for the long term, not that you will get the returns in one or two. But definitely few quantities, not whole capital, but few capital can deploy now. So what I'm thinking, I think I did it for Tata Power, Axis Bank and Tata Power. I think what are doing. LNT is again trying to come about this trend, and if it is sustained over there, then the rally will start. May go beyond 2000 because the rally in this one started very late compared to other technological companies. That's SBI Life is very good, looking good, but now slightly selling pressure. Let's see how it works. So I'm ready to uh, hold it till 900 also. If it comes around 900, I'll definitely buy a portion. I think I don't have to look any other options in that case. Definitely it's gonna jump back nicely. Uh, yes, one more point. I think we'll have to look for the dollar index. Yes, dollar index. It's crazy. This one. Yeah, I think it's around 96. It dropped down actually. We don't know whether it's come down, but I don't think it's come down. Choose some more time. Comes down, then it might be some buying opportunity in stocks actually. But I think not the way it is going. Let's go to option chain actually. Option chain is more important on expiry days. Yeah. Yesterday there was a lot of in the money call writing on at this level, but I think this has been winded up and we don't have much things now here. But we have even here also people ran away. Potentially, it looks like call writer ran away. There's some market jump up, but there is no potentials in put writer. So when there is a breakout, so this should be in good numbers. Then we can have the very nice breakout. But I don't see anything. But Mota Mota, it's looking at the flat only. Uh, Here, 16,800 is uh, most for rating, and here we have 1600. So definitely, if the market opens around 17,100, this can be a call rating opportunity. But I think if that comes, I will simply jump, book the profit in the leg that I have. and we'll sit quiet for the day and no need to trade because the expiries were not good last two expiries. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a good expiry today. Bye bye.